Welcome to DelftStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the 0x00007B error on Windows 11. This error usually appears when you try to open an app or a game, and it refuses to start. In most cases, it means the program is trying to load a 32-bit file on a 64-bit system, or a 64-bit file on a 32-bit system. It can also happen when important DLL files are missing or broken. First, locate the folder where the program or game is installed. You usually find it by right-clicking the shortcut and choosing Open File Location. Inside this folder, look for DLL files. These files are required for the app to run correctly. Now you need to know whether the program uses 32-bit or 64-bit files. If you already know this, you can skip to the correct step. If you do not know, start with the 64-bit version. Go to a trusted DLL download website. Search for the DLL files that are missing or already present in the app folder. Make sure you download the 64-bit versions of those DLL files. After downloading, copy the DLL files. Go back to the application folder and paste them there. When Windows asks, choose Replace the files. Once done, close the folder and try running the program again. If the error is gone, the issue is fixed. If you still see the error, go back to the DLL website. This time, download the 32-bit versions of the same DLL files. Copy the 32-bit DLL files and paste them into the same application folder. Replace the existing DLL files again. Now run the program one more time. In most cases, the app should open normally without showing the error. Thanks for watching.